Welcome to our guide on effortless basement bathroom maintenance. Today, we'll share practical tips to keep your space clean and fresh without breaking a sweat. A clean basement bathroom isn't just about appearances, it's about creating a healthy and comfortable space for everyone. Regardless of your age, maintaining a clean bathroom is key to preventing issues like mold and unpleasant odors. Stick around as we walk you through simple tips that will make keeping your basement bathroom in top shape a breeze. Basement bathrooms often face unique challenges, but with the right approach, maintenance can be a breeze. Whether you're a homeowner, a parent, or a grandparent, these tips are designed for everyone. We understand that different ages and lifestyles come with different needs, but don't worry. Our maintenance tips are versatile and suitable for all. Stick with us as we show you how to make your basement bathroom a clean and welcoming space for everyone in the family. Proper ventilation is the key to a fresh basement bathroom. It helps prevent mold growth and keeps unpleasant odors at bay. When the air circulates well, it contributes to a healthier and more comfortable space for everyone in your home. Imagine a constant flow of fresh air, whisking away moisture and ensuring a clean environment. Good ventilation is like a breath of fresh air for your bathroom, literally. To achieve this, consider using exhaust fans during and after showers. Additionally, leaving doors slightly ajar promotes air circulation, preventing that stuffy feeling. These simple steps can make a big difference in maintaining a bathroom that feels clean and inviting. Ventilation plays a crucial role in keeping your basement bathroom fresh and mold-free. It's like giving your bathroom a breath of fresh air, preventing those musty smells and the growth of mold. This is essential for creating a healthier and more comfortable space for everyone in your home. Picture this: a constant flow of air moving through your bathroom, carrying away moisture and ensuring a clean environment. Good ventilation is like opening a window to let in a breeze. It makes a big difference in the overall freshness of your space. For an effortlessly well-ventilated bathroom, consider using exhaust fans, especially during and after showers. And a simple trick, leaving doors slightly ajar promotes air circulation, preventing that stuffy feeling. These easy steps can keep your bathroom feeling clean and welcoming. Now let's talk about tip 2, preventing water damage in your basement bathroom. Basements are prone to water issues, and it's crucial to know where potential problems might arise. Understanding these common sources can save you from headaches down the road. Imagine this: illustrations that pinpoint areas where water can sneak in, like around pipes, corners, or even through cracks in the walls. Identifying these vulnerable spots is the first step in keeping your bathroom dry and damage-free. To keep water at bay, regular inspections are key. Check for any signs of leaks or dampness. And here's a pro tip: sealing gaps and cracks in your walls and floor can be a game changer. It's a simple yet effective way to prevent water from finding its way into your basement bathroom. Stay tuned as we guide you through more effortless tips for a well-maintained space. Now let's dive into tip 3, keeping your basement bathroom clean and hygienic. Regular cleaning is crucial for a healthy environment. It's not just about appearances, it's about creating a space where everyone feels comfortable. And here's the good news: you don't need complicated cleaning routines. We're about to share a straightforward yet effective approach that will make maintaining your bathroom a breeze. Stay with us as we demonstrate easy-to-use cleaning products that are perfect for your basement bathroom. These products will help you tackle dirt, grime, and bacteria without much effort. Let's make cleaning a hassle-free part of your routine for a fresh and inviting bathroom space. Tip 4 is all about choosing the right materials for your basement bathroom. Picking materials that resist moisture and are easy to clean is a smart move. It's like giving your bathroom a protective shield against potential issues. Imagine a bathroom with moisture-resistant paint that keeps the walls safe or tiles that are a breeze to clean. We'll showcase these recommended materials, helping you make informed choices for a bathroom that stands up to the challenges of moisture. Investing in the right materials might seem like a small decision now, but it pays off in the long run. It means less maintenance and a bathroom that stays fresh and welcoming. Stick around as we guide you through more tips for a hassle-free, well-maintained basement bathroom. Tip 5 is all about addressing the challenge of limited space in your basement bathroom. We get it. Small spaces can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can make the most out of what you have. Organization is the key to keeping your bathroom clutter-free and easy to maintain. When everything has its place, it's simpler to keep things tidy and accessible, making your bathroom a more enjoyable space for everyone. Stay tuned as we highlight practical storage solutions, from shelves and cabinets to hooks. These simple additions can maximize your storage space, making your bathroom more functional without sacrificing style. Let's turn that limited space into a well-organized and efficient part of your home. In conclusion, let's recap the key tips we've shared for effortless basement bathroom maintenance. From proper ventilation to choosing the right materials and smart storage solutions, these simple steps can make a big difference in keeping your bathroom clean and fresh. Now, it's your turn. We encourage you to implement these tips and make them a part of your routine. With a little effort, you can enjoy a clean and fresh bathroom without much hassle. Remember, maintaining your space is a small investment that pays off in the comfort and well-being of your home. And there you have it, a visually pleasing, well-maintained basement bathroom. We hope these tips have inspired you to create a space that not only looks great, but also contributes to a healthier and more comfortable home. Thank you for joining us on this guide to effortless basement bathroom maintenance. Stay tuned for more helpful tips, and until next time, keep it clean and fresh. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more home maintenance tips. We're here to make your life easier, providing practical advice for a clean and well-maintained home. Click that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey of effortless home care together. Until next time, happy maintaining.